my name is Melissa Glam. So today I'm actually doing my makeup real quick. I'm using the True Match in the shade Cappuccino in 8. I'm not putting on a lot of makeup. I'm just doing my makeup because I'm going to film a couple unboxing videos. Super exciting. So I just need a little bit of makeup on to film those videos. I'm super excited to do those videos for you guys. They're gonna be so good. I like this foundation because it's lightweight. It's a little more yellow than my skin tone, but that's okay. It's supposed to be neutral, but it's not very neutral, in my opinion. So foundation is done. For eyes, I'm going to be using the, you guys have seen me use this a billion times. It's a Mist Metal Shock. The writing has like wore off, but I'm using the color Pinkaboo. It's literally just like glitter. It's gonna be a super simple look today, like I said. I'm just gonna tap that in very gently. I'm just doing this real quick. Nothing fancy. And then I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use the Muse Pro Big Mega Lash Mascara. I love this. Look how big the wand is, you guys. The only thing I don't like about this mascara is it's waterproof. But it makes my lashes look so long and thick, so I like that. Like I said, super simple look today, you guys. Nothing like crazy. More of like an everyday look for me because I love glitter, and when I do my makeup, no matter what, I put glitter. I can't help it. And I love wearing a lot of mascara because I don't really wear falsies. And this is a great mascara. You can't buy this like in stores, like only like you know how like they girls sell makeup like on Facebook, like boutiques. This is where you could buy this, but I can get it because I do have my wholesale license. So if you guys want to buy this, let me know if you guys need any. I'm gonna start I'm gonna open up my own boutique selling makeup. So on Facebook Lives though, I might do some like on YouTube, but right now I think I'm just gonna focus on Facebook Live. My brows look tragic, that's okay. And we're gonna move into lips, and I'm gonna use, let's see what I'm gonna use. This is the first thing that's in my pouch. It's the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood lip. Just use my finger. I'm gonna get a Kleenex. Just blot it so it's not intense. There we go. Maybe I'll do a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. Let me grab a brush real quick. I'm telling you guys, this is like the most simple makeup look ever. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with bronze, which is this color right here. So my cheekbones. I'm not even gonna bother with doing my brows. Use my finger. Do my cupid's bow. And this is the look, you guys. I think it's super pretty. What do you guys think? Super simple. I don't do any blush or anything like that. This is a simple look. Glued on my baby hairs. My hair looking a little crazy, but that's okay. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below and look out for those unboxing videos because I have two. I'm going to do a BoxyCharm and a mystery box unboxing, so those will be 2 in a row. So definitely check them out. Alright, bye guys.